here I'm not entirely well. I don't know why, because I actually feel much better. It is very early because it's almost 7:30. Obviously I'm up that early because I'm going to work. So I have like 20 minutes, even less, before I need to leave. Actually, I'll check my bus if it's going to be on time or not. And I need to make some food for work quickly, leave some food for cats. Obviously it's delayed. So like I said, I need to make food for work, leave some food for girls, and tidy up the litter boxes, and then just run. Maybe I'll manage to unpack the dishwasher and shove some stuff in it as well. It is 1st December finally. I was supposed to start this vlogmas yesterday, but I didn't because I ended up watching the World Cup because it was Poland versus Argentina. We lost, but despite that we going further in that World Cup. I watched that, so I didn't decorate the house, but I'm going to do it all today. And one of the reasons why is actually I'm going to be on my own. So I'm going to play Christmas songs on vinyl, and because I got the album finally. I wanted to get it last year, but I didn't because Born is not a fan, but this year I was like, order. Yeah, so like I'm saying, I'm going to be on my own tonight, which I don't mind. I mean, it's just a shame that I'm going away tomorrow for the weekend, but that's fine. So yeah, now I'm just, like I'm saying, so later in this vlogmas we're going to decorate the house. I think later on after London I'm going to decorate the tree because that's going to take a whole evening. And also tonight I need to pack. I need to remember to pack everything I need. I already put some stuff in my suitcase, but I need to put more stuff in there. So alright, chop chop, I don't have much time. Also I put the red bow in my hair today. My hair is already messy because I was putting on the jumper. Yeah, so let's crack on and then just run for the bus, so I'm not going to be late for work. Probably as always I'm going to be early because that's how the buses run, unfortunately. Alright, let's start.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having.
I'm back from work. I mean, I've been back a while ago, but now I just picked up the camera. I had some food, little rest, catch up with over the phone with a few people as well. And I feel so tired. Honestly, it's just, I would like to just sit down on the sofa for the rest of the evening and just watch a Christmas film or watch the last episode of The Crown or something like that, you know. But I have so much to do and roughly 3 hours to get it all done because then I need to go to sleep. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to start with the kitchen. So quick tidy up, just basically put stuff in the dishwasher, wipe down, and that's it. And probably we're going to start decorating with the kitchen as I don't have many things for it, and then we're going to move out through the house. Probably I'm not going to manage to get everything done today, so let's say that will be the part 1 of decorating the house. Let's crack on. I'm going to first, actually, what I'm going to do is, am I in focus? First thing I'm going to do is so I'm going to play it now to get me in the very festive mood. It's not like this is what I've been doing on my way to and from work already, but on vinyl it's going to sound completely different, obviously.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite.
Right, so here I've got all the decorations. There's, excuse me, this bag. Got some stuff here as well, some towels, and those two boxes basically. All full of decorations. Here's some bedding as well that I would like to change some later. So I think I'm going to grab something and take it downstairs, and we're going to crack on with decorating. This wreath is one of my favorite decorations. Barney didn't want me to get it, but I did, and I'm so glad. A little thing, very annoying for Barney, because obviously it's made of jingle bells, but I love it. It looks so good on the door to our bedroom. So yeah, first thing done.
Oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies.
I know that the quality might be quite low here because our bedroom is very dark, like it actually should, despite me having all the lights on now. So I'm going to quickly change the bedding and arrange the ottoman as well. Let me just quickly show you what I've got in the bedroom. So on this blind here, I've popped that star. I quite like it. It's adding a little something here in that corner. And on that ottoman, let me lower you. I'm going to obviously put some festive cushions in a second, so I'll just go grab them and put here a little something. This lovely cushion. So pop this one here and that one, and that will go on the bed in a second once it's done, to show you how it's arranged. Right, as you can see behind me, Jesus, I'm so red. Why am I so red? You can see the bed is done, as also you could just see on the previous shot. I'm just going to go downstairs, put away all the boxes and stuff, and then I need to pack. So I need to grab the suitcase that is actually downstairs, and yeah, just actually tidy here up because at the moment it is a utter mess. So that is what I'm going to do now. Again, I think it's too dark for that camera to pick it all properly up. Yes, so quick tidy up, put it all on one side so it's tidy, like I just said. How many times I'm going to say tidy? And then we're just going to pack for London. I was starting to know why I'm making bed, thinking of outfits, what I want to pack for London. Do that, and then it's shower and bed, because it's already 10 to 10 and I need to get up about 6 to have time to do my makeup, because today I didn't do any really. I didn't even have time this morning. So to actually have time to do everything in the morning, and then work, come home, have food, and quickly move stuff from one handbag to another, add some little bits and bobs to the bag, and I'll be going. So all that you will actually see in the next Vlogmas, because we're going to do a lot of festive things in London, so I really can't wait for that already. Yeah, we're going to have a lovely time in London. Yeah, so that was the first part of decorating the house. We still have one bedroom to do, and that's the cat's bedroom slash guest bedroom, and living room, because I don't even have time for that, and trees, and the front. The front's not ready because Barney has something to do for the trees, for the front. He needs to move them from bigger pots to slightly smaller pots, which I know doesn't make any sense, but it does, because I don't think they have big roots anyway. So we're going to move them back to the smaller ones that they came in, because they're red, so obviously festive, and we keep them in terracotta pots, and that's not going to look good for the front, because obviously we have the massive reef, the trees, the doormat, and then the lights, so the front will look all nice. So I can't wait to see that. Maybe we're going to do that on Sunday when I come back home, like quick front, but it's going to be 7 PM when I come home, so it's going to be dark. But anyway, tidy up and packing. So my outfit for tomorrow will be that jumper. Actually just noticed it says London. So perfect. With some black trousers, and then I need another 2 outfits, and I would like to pack my pair of knee-high boots, and they obviously look the best with some dress, and on the other hand I don't want to freeze. Obviously like a jumper dress would be the best. Okay, got my outfits almost. Saturday I'm going to wear this jumper. It's warm, it will keep me very, very warm when we're going to be outside all day. That dress is like a big jumper dress, very, very comfy. So for Sunday, that's tomorrow, some tights, some tops to wear underneath the jumpers. That is my bag for dirty underwear. I need to find some pajamas. I'll take this one, and so that's that. I've got also this long sleeve, but I'm not sure if I'm going to take it. I like it, especially this time of year, because as you can hopefully see, it's like dark green, so very festive color. But I'm not sure, honestly, if I'm going to take it. I might just pop it just in case. It's just one thing is half of my suitcase is already full because this is what I need to take. So and I need to still fit here boots, some toiletries, makeup. Oh God. And I'll still have a handbag and probably a shopper that I'm going to shove loads of stuff in, I guess, because I'll probably take my laptop to edit this vlogmas. Okay, I better start packing because it's already 10:05. The suitcase is packed for now. Got my boots, got my outfits. In the black trousers I'm going to go tomorrow anyway. My tops, towel because I'll need it, some underwear, tights. That bag for dirty underwear is shoved in here, so that's all. The rest will have to go to the shopper, so that'll be basically shoving in tomorrow afternoon when I come home from work. So that is going to be it in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you inspired yourself to decorate your house, that you felt some festive vibes as well. And yeah, I'm going to see you in the next vlogmas. I hope I'm going to vlog in London, so I'll have some nice festive content for you as well. If you enjoyed that video, please leave it a thumbs up and comment as well when you're going to decorate your house, if you already done it, or you're going to, or if you're still going to, if you already have your tree up. Maybe you are one of those people who decorate the house in mid-November. Let me know. And I'm going, so yeah, let me know that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post quite a lot. No, not a lot. Sometimes I post. And yeah, I'm going to see you. Oh, the light, I think, is slightly better here. And I'm going to see you in the next vlogmas. Bye.